Buenos dias, amigas, amigas. Diaz. Hi. Tio is eating sushi.
Sushi, yeah, sushi.
Yes. Sushi, yes. Sushi is good. It's very cold. Oh my goodness, I'm so cold.
So, what do you guys having in mind?
Me?
On Wednesday.
I'm gonna cook rotisserie chicken.
Oh yeah? No.
I'm gonna cook it from the commissary.
There you go.
See, you do have no time to cook, you know.
Right.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna get to my kitchen.
No.
So have you tried your chicken?
Hmm?
Have you tried your chicken at Charlie's? Oh, you tried it? It's kind of heavy though in the morning.
How many people are we gonna have? What do you think?
What do you mean?
Like for Wednesday morning, like 9 o'clock for the retirement.
Well,
I'm thinking. That's what, like, how many people are coming?
No, you didn't say that. Yeah.
Michelle here yet?
She's here, just getting the wings.
Right.
Yeah, I don't like the wings. It's kind of heavy right now.
I'm hoping that what's her name?
You can just stay, you know. If your schedule stay the same over there, you can still work here. Yeah. You're making a lot of money. Guys, matatapos na ako. Wala pa rin sila. How are you guys? Merry Christmas everyone. It's coming pretty soon. More expenses. Ang tagal pala ng ano?
Maubos na ang oras ko. Ayan!
Ay, naulog.
Ay, bastos ka. Diyos ko, dami pa niyang mga requisitos. Kasi yung talagang pag-ano niya. Ay, yung sarap nito. Kain tayo. Uy! Ang Wednesday lang talagang napaka-dolyares. Mas dolyar pa sa restaurant.
Hindi, pero yung sa ano, ano ba yung may pizza?
7. Oh, 10.99 sila.
Yung may pizza, anong ano?
Ay, 8 pesos naman yung kuryente. Yung may mga Domino's, yung Pizza Hut.
Ilang, magkano yan?
8 piraso nasa 10.99.
O kasi ayun na yun. Magkano yun?
Doon sa kanila ano na 12. Ang mahal nga! 12-11. Ito maganda to kasi may price na pero hindi ako mo ng price. Ano pala to? Chicken with price pala. Kaya sabi ko, ano ba pang mahal naman? Tama. Hindi lang, sana salad ako. Hindi nyo lang kasi nga, wala silang option. Mura na to. Kaysa sandwich. Kaysa sandwich, kung mag-meal ka man, siguro mga $12 kasi yung ano na, 11 or 12 ba sa inumin.
Pero parang ano, matrabaho na. Yung pizza.
Oo, ang dami ng spicy. Ang sarap. Nako, one day mag-aano ako nito.
I-take out ako.
Oo, ako rin. Friday. Palagi ako mag-take out.
Kasi kami pizza sa Friday.
Just go 40 pieces, magkano? 69 something.
Kasi 30 pieces is ano, $43. So sa ano, sa Popeyes, may ano naman, may dalawang sides.
Ayan. May dalawang sides, tama. Signature nila nasa 12 something na eh. Kasi nagana ko, pero 3 na yun, ay 5. Wala na. Akala ko pa naman wings lang. Sabi ko, ano?
Kasi nakalagay doon eh.
Akala ko wings lang. Sabi ko,
so, pero walang drinks?
Wala. Chicken price lang. Okay, diba? Si Brayden, hindi. Papainin ko to. Bakit?
Mm.
Tapos ako, ganun din. Chicken fries. Kaya nga lang yung part na ano.
Kapangit.
Pangit yung ano.
Huwag mo nang i-fry.
Diba? Pwede naman kumuha ng ito.
Mm.
Air fryer ko na lang.
Mm.
Papayag ko isa. Ano naman ito. Patakaran. Bayan there.
Yeah.
I love it. Chicken.
Yeah, no.
My favorite. I
Yeah.
think I cook of chicken as long chicken
I
I
took
can.
12 pieces on Friday.
Did
For
you
my
eat it
wife.
all? Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Oh my
I told my wife, hey,
Oh,
now we have wings, we got bacon, you know what? I don't
Matikmasan, hindi
get.
pwede
It's
ka
like we have
matagplo yung malakot.
the now meat. We gotta throw some pepperoni, like,
Alright.
well, and then we have turkey. Throw some of the turkey.
Kami na isip.
Well,
Gusto ko
you
sana
guys
kayo
have
parang, di ba?
turkey, salami, pepperoni before, and ham, right?
Uy, malakot.
Pepperoni.
Ang nakakasarap ng dumantika.
Good morning! Maganda yung umaga niya kasi lalayas na siya. Good morning po sa inyong lahat, mga
4 days to go.
Nako, wala ako dito.
Yeah, 4 days. Well,
Medyo
3
malaki yung intake
three
na.
days
Ako ng
stay.
Miyerkules, wala na, tapos saglit lang Friday.
Muyo?
Wala na.
No,
Bye-bye.
Oh, 30 yan.
Kaya na naman siya, kablit-kablit na lang.
Oo. Para itong ano eh. Para itong kabit ko eh. Balaging ganyan. Kablit. Ang ano ko nito, labas ko ito, kabit.
Nag-ano to si...
Para